My name is Elizabeth Hoiem, and I'm a new assistant professor here in Gislas in youth services, and I teach children's literature, and I study the history of reading and literacy, especially in Great Britain. I got into this field actually almost by accident. So originally I studied history of literature more generally in British studies in English departments, and because my focus of specialty was on childhood and reading, I ended up teaching children's literature to educators, and from there came into this field in Gislas. So I think that there are a lot of reasons why all children's literature and also history of children's literature is important for people working with children today. Part of it is that we have a lot of deeply held values about how we need to protect children and from what. Those assumptions are, however passionately we may hold them, are relative to our own time and place. So by looking at the past, a lot of times I find it helpful as a way to question some of those beliefs and show how people succeeded and held passionately completely different views. And in that way, I think that the past can help us question and reevaluate some of the things that we look at in the present. A lot of times when I teach students, one of the things I'm especially invested in is making sure that they're able to find enjoyment and appreciation for things that are difficult, that are older texts that, because they're not in the same colloquial language that we use today, may seem inaccessible, but which really also have things that still connect with us. One of the stories that I really like that's about our relationship with the past is Out of the Dust. Once dinosaurs roamed in Cimarron County, bones showing in the green shale, ribs the size of plow blades, hip bones like crank phones, and legs running like fence rails down to a giant foot. A chill shoots up my spine imagining a dinosaur slogging out of an Oklahoma sea with turtles swimming around its legs. I think that when I attempt to try and understand and remember what it was like for people in the past, it's part of that almost respect that hopefully somebody will do the same for us at this moment, and that we'll have some kind of continuity so that the things that we know and experience now won't be entirely lost.